n is equal to n log b. Okay, so we are going to apply it here. This power m minus 2 is going to multiply this logarithm. So we have m minus 2 log 5 is equal to log 12. Hello viewers, let's find the value of m in this equation. Solution. We're given 5 raised to power m divided by 15 is equal to 20. So first thing we are going to do, this is 5 raised to power m is equal to 20 multiplied by 15, because there is invisible one here when you cross multiply. Okay, you have 5 raised to power m is equals to 20 times 15. Now let's have 5 raised to power m is equal to 20 is same as 4 times 5 multiplied by 15 is same as 3 times 5. Okay, because we have 5 here, let's take out 5 here. Let's factor out 5. We have 5 here, let's factor out 5 here, so that we apply lots of indices. So 5 raised to power m is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So that 5 raised to power m is equal to 12 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2. 5 times 5 is same as 5 raised to power 2, or that is 25. Okay, so either you use 25 or you use 5 raised to power 2. So divide through by 5 raised to power 2 or 25. Okay, so I will have here 5 raised to power m divided by 5 raised to power 2 is equal to 12 divided by 5 raised to power 2. Okay, which is 25. Alright, good. Raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, which is same as a raised to power m minus n. So let's apply it here because we have the same base as 5. Okay, so I can have 5 raised to power m minus what is here 2 is equal to, here this is 12. So remember we have 5 raised to power 2 here. So this 5 raised to power 2 can cancel this 5 raised to power 2. So we have 5 raised to power m minus 2 equals to 12. Alright, now we are going to take the logarithm of both sides. Okay, take the logarithm of both sides. So let's take the log of both sides. So we're given 5 raised to power m minus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, so log bracket 5 raised to power m minus 2 is equal to log 12. Also recall in logarithm that log b raised to power n is equal to n log b. Okay, so we are going to apply it here. This power m minus 2 is going to multiply this logarithm. So we have m minus 2 log 5 is equal to log 12. Good. Now let's divide through by log 5. Okay, so I can have m minus 2 log 5 divided by log 5 is equal to log 12 divided by log 5. So this can cancel. We now have m minus 2 is equal to log 12 divided by log 5. But base b divided by log b, this is same as all in logarithm of a, b. Okay, since they have the same base, okay, it will be all in logarithm of a, b. We call it change of base. So we call it change of base. Let's apply it here because since they have the same base, we can now have m minus 2 is equals to log. This is 12 base 5. Good. Now add 2 to both sides. Okay, that is this moving this way. We now have m is equal to log 12 base 5 plus 2. Okay, so this is the value of m. This is the value of m in this equation. Okay, now let's check to ascertain it. We have 5 raised to power m divided by 15 is equal to 20, but m is log 5 log 12 base 5 plus 2. Substituting, I'll have 5 raised to power the value of m, which is log 12 base 5 plus 2. Is it equal to 20? Remember, we are dividing by 15. Good. So, from a raised to power m plus n equals a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. We are going to apply it here. I can now have 5 raised to power log 12 base 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2. Okay, remember all divided by this 15. Is it equal to 20? So let's simplify further. Now, in cancellation law of logarithm, when you have log a base b, then we have b here. Okay, so we have b raised to power log a base b. Since they have the same base, it will be a. So here they have the same base, 5 and 5, so it will be 12. Okay, so we now have here 12 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 is 25, divided by 15. Will it give us 20? Okay, so you notice that 5 can go here, 5 can go here. So we have 5 here, we have 3. 3 can go 1, 3 can go here, 4. So you notice 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20 hand side, right hand side, and this is what? Left hand side. Therefore, m is equal to, m is equals to log 12 base 5 plus 2. So they are correct. Alright, so now a quick recap of what we have done. Okay, we were given 5 raised to power m divided by 15 equals to 20. So we'll express this in order to factor out 5. So from here, when you cross multiply, you have 5m is 12 times 15. 5m is 4 times 5, which is 20, multiplied by 3 times 5, which is 15. So 5m is same as 4 times 3, 4 times 3, which is 12, multiplied by 5 raised to power 2, which is 25. Now divide through by this 25. We now have 5 raised to power m divided by 5 raised to power 2 equals 12 divided by 25, multiplied by 5 raised to power 2. So these 2 can go, remaining 12. When you apply this division rule, you have 5 raised to power m minus 2 equals 12. So for you to solve for m here, you have to take the logarithm of both sides. After that, and applying some laws of logarithm, you notice that m is equals to log 12 base 5 plus 2. Okay, then check and still ascertain that m is equals to log 12 base 5 plus 2. Thank you for watching. For more, check my previous lessons.